Hey planner friends, thanks so much for stopping by my channel. My name is Ryan and this is A Man with the Plans, and we are in my Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly Notebook Planner Budget 2018, and we are going to do my week 1 check-in for my October budget. I'll leave the link to the October budget video up here in the cards. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Ryan. I'm a decorative planner. As you can see here, I like to spice things up to make sure I stick to my budgets. And the way that I normally do this is we do the budget here on the notes page, and on this current layout I use these for weekly check-ins. So you can expect this video, so one of these videos once a week. And then over here on the monthly view, we sort of have it laid out with the paydays with these little stickers. Any budgeted expenses, so like your rent, your car payments, those automatic student loan payments, whatever those might be, they end up over here. Then any other expense throughout the week gets sort of tucked in over here. So looking at this month so far, we've only had one no spend this week, and I think part of that is just because I've been still dealing with the move and haven't been really settled in. But overall, we're gonna do some like budget checks for the 1st through the 7th, right? Is that what I have it as? Yeah. So let's go ahead, I'm gonna flip you guys over. I have everything tallied up over here. And I'm gonna zoom you in so we can fill this in as we go. Sound good? Let's do it. Okay, here we go. Whoa. There we go. Awesome. So the first expense, obviously, which is going to be the largest expense all month, is my rent at $14.87. I actually moved at the end of last month, so this is my first full month here getting settled. The next expense I have on here is gas. And I guess I only filled up once in September, which meant that I was completely on E this afternoon when I went grocery shopping. So I spent $40.43 filling up my car, which felt kind of high, but that's okay. It should last me a while. The next thing I have on here is groceries, and that came to $75.66. And that was an Aldi shop and a Trader Joe's shop. I've tried the new Trader Joe's by my house, and it's actually a little bit more expensive than I thought with some taxes, so I think I'm gonna stick to someplace else. The next thing is my personal category. Really fun week, but also is a really expensive week. And so this includes, it came to $109.24, and looking at my October budget, if we flip this over, you'll see that my personal is at $150. So got about $40 to play with for the rest of the month. So I gotta really be good about this. But this was, I went to a concert, so it was $42 for a concert ticket. They're a really good band, I've wanted to see them for a long time, so I did that. And then, you know, we went out afterwards, and there was always, you know, the Uber back and forth to my apartment and those types of things. The costs add up, so expensive evening, but also this includes, like, I stopped at the Dollar Tree and the Dollar Spot at Target to get some things for my new apartment. So, you know, those costs add up. The last thing is restaurant. That total came to $44.29. We went to lunch after apple picking and those types of things, so it, you know, it all just starts to add up. And so that, I'm almost there. I'm literally just shy, like I have literally $5 and however many cents left on that one. So gotta really be good and watch that for the rest of the month because I might go over. Gotta really focus on that. The other expense was the first car payment, and that's $175.41 or something like that. They're split. They're taken out like the 1st and 3rd Friday. So overall, let's go ahead and add all this up and see what we get. Now, I will also say though that I got, and we'll put that in a different color, I got paid on Friday. So, what was our paycheck? It was $1,792.38. So yeah, that's the first week of October. I can't believe it's already all said and done, but here we are. So we've got a lot to focus on in terms of the budget. Gotta rein in that spending. I guess my new apartment makes me feel like I can do just about anything, so gotta focus on that. But overall, it's gonna be a really good month, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button so you can see my content in your newsfeed. I make new videos every Monday and every Thursday, although these tend to be, there tend to be more videos lately, so expect them throughout the rest of the week. You can find me over on Instagram at A Man With The Plans, as well as over on Facebook, which is actually where I do most of my giveaways, and that's over at A Man With The Plans as well. I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I hope you make fiscally smart choices. Let me know in the comments below if you have any suggestions for how I can sort of tighten this budget up to make sure I can achieve my goals, finishing up baby step 2 like I mentioned. Hope you have a great week though. Talk to you soon. Bye planner friends.